Hello and welcome everyone. This is Lucy, and today we will be learning how to log out linked devices from WhatsApp account. First step is to open your WhatsApp. Now, this is my main device for WhatsApp. So, some of the few steps to do is click on linked devices, and it will show me all the devices where my WhatsApp account is logged in. So just click on the device you want to log out from and click on log out. Now this will log out my account from that specific device. And if you want to log out from your secondary device, then you can always click on log out after clicking on these three dots and going to settings and account. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.